Bonjour les enfants! In this video, you will learn French pronunciation, leçon group 4. The 3 other groups I have already taught. You can check my previous videos for that. Okay, let's revise those as well. So, I have divided these sounds, that is leçon, in 6 groups. 6 groups. Okay, the first group is on. Right? In this on group, I taught you that you need to just remember 3 letters O, A and E. And you have to put MN, MN and then you will get 6 sounds. You can check this video. This is the first group of sounds. And then the second group of sounds is A. Okay, so we have 7 things here, 7 ways to say A. This is accent aigu, it sounds like A. Then ER, ES, ET, EZ, EI and AI. And then the third group was this. It's again a nasal sound here. So this is here to learn, to remember this group, you need to just learn or to remember 4 letters I, U, Y and AI. And this is a pair, okay? So you can simply put MN, MN, then there will be your group. For that again check my another video. And now in this video we'll specifically focus on the 4th group of sounds. It's quite short, simple group, alright? In this video it is A. So here only 2 sounds or 2 ways are there to say A. One is this, another one is this. So first let's learn their names. This is actually A. In French, this is in English it is E, but in French it is A. And now these accents are there, so we have to say A and then the name of these accents. So first is A. This kind of accent is called accent grave. Accent means accent and grave is the name of this accent. Accent grave. So in combination, that is combined, we'll say accent grave. That is and this is accent grave. And now the name of the another accent is this is and this cap sort of thing. This is called circumflex. Circumflex. Alright? So this is the name of this accent. And now let me give you some examples. First let's talk about this. That is accent grave. Okay. So par exemple, this is mère. M is m. This is a, R is h little bit, and this is E is a silent letter. Okay, it is mère. One more, mère means mother. One more example. Quite easy. This is P. This is A. This is a sound. A. This is h, and this is silent letter. So it is père. Père. Père means father. One more example I can give you. That is this is a sound here. This is silent letter. F is f. R is again h little bit. And this accent grave is a. This is h again. And this is silent. Frère. 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 Frère is brother. Right? And now let's talk about the another. This circumflex. It's again A. Okay. Now example is, par exemple, fête. This is the sound A and this is f. This is t and this is silent letter. So it is fête. Fête. Now this is te is the. This is again a. This is again the, and this is silent letter. So it is tet. Tet. Tet is head. Okay, this is fet. Fet is festival or any celebration. Alright? Alright, so did you notice one thing, that when I was saying this, it is mère, mère. And when I say this, I say fet. I don't say fat, like mère, fat. No, it is mère, it is fet. Means it's bit quick and this is bit long. Yes, so this is the difference. These both are otherwise a, but here in this case, you have to simply say a, and this is short. Fet. It should be quick. Fet. Tet. Right? This way. Okay, so this is the difference, and these are the two sounds of this a group. And for my other for other groups, just keep watching my other videos. Au revoir.